Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will learn about opposites. Opposites. What opposites are? The definition is opposites are words that are totally different in meaning. Again, opposites are words that are totally different in meaning. Here we have an example of opposite words. For example, we have two words, old and new. Both of these words have different meaning. Old is an opposite of word new, and new is an opposite of word old. Now we have some words opposite. We have some words and these are the opposites of these words. Words opposite. Number one word is big. Small is the opposite of word big. The opposite of the word big is small. Another word we have is fast. The opposite of word fast is slow. Another word we have is hot. Hot. The word cold is the opposite of word hot. Another word we have is good. Good, and the opposite word is bad. Bad is the opposite word of good. This video is about words opposite. Thank you.